Well, hello and welcome to the tutorial for Hill Prep on the observations section. So I've already selected my teacher's administrator's sample man. As you can see again in the red bar at the top, so you know exactly who we're dealing with. And as you can see again in the top right hand corner, it does say observations, so we know exactly what section we're in currently. Up at the top, as usual, is our navigation between the sections, mostly. Our practicum courses. Print will allow you to print the observation once we're finished. And home, which will take you back to the home screen. The help currently has no documentation under it. That's pending. So down here again is where we're going to do some more work. We have a new button, an edit button. Over here, a view detail. Again, the edit and the view detail are very close to each other. The only difference being edit will allow you to actually edit the information. View detail will not. So only mentors and administrators may edit, and anybody allowed in the system may view. Here we show their level. Under is a list of observations that have currently been done for this teacher. This person has 1 writing and 4 rap observations that have been done on them, all by me, on separate dates. Down here would be a quick reference view of some of the observation materials, the observer's name, what level they are, what type of observation and date, and then these would be the scores for the individual responsibilities. So let's go ahead and create a new one. First thing you're going to be asked to do is select the type, whether it's math, rap, or write. Go with rap. Date. We'll say we did it today. And close window. So this should bring up we have a new one right here at the top. So we can edit that one. Here you can quickly, within the edit screen, switch through the different observations, or you can just work on the one that you currently have. Down here you can enter the students' names in the class, the grades, and their level. We have whether or not you reviewed or did not review the certain sections. An overall rating. And then all of our individual responsibility ratings down here, with 0 being a not observed. Next to them, you'll see these P buttons with a number beside the P. These are the actual responsibilities. So if you click on like P1, it'll show me what I am grading here. These are the same that are on the printout form, just a different way to get to them. Another way to see them is simply hold your mouse over one of them, wait for a second, and you'll see the tooltip will show up with what you would see when you click on it anyway. A little quicker way to see it if you prefer tooltips. And as we scroll down some, we have the section proficiencies that you can choose for each section. Correspond to the sections for whatever type you're doing. And the totals, which should automatically fill in as you choose things up at the top. So let's choose a couple randomly. And as you can see, the totals are changing for the sections as I go through. This same page does handle rap, write, and eventually math. So you can see we set a couple of those. Down here are the begin and end times for the sections, and the couple boxes that check boxes that were related with certain sections. Down here, you may enter your comments for each section. They are headed by what section it relates to. And scrolling down to the bottom should give you your final comments also. Once all's been finished, you can close the window to go towards the print. Also right here you will see this lifesaver here does do something, and that'll give you a quick rundown of the scale. We're going to close this window and we're back at the main observation screen. So we'll click on the one with today's date, make sure it's selected. And here at the top I can click print, and I'm going to choose to a PDF. Save it on my desktop as testing. And voila, I have a PDF. So if I minimize that, and here's my little testing PDF file. I can open this up. And I'm not capturing all my screen, so you may not see all of this. I'm trying to get it in there. But this is vaguely the PDF that will be printed out. Or if you printed it to paper, it would look the same. This is the standard form that has been used at the Hill Center for a while. So we can go back here to FileMaker. And that's pretty much our observations section. From there, as I said, you can continue to edit and change anything in here that you need to if you are the mentor assigned or if you're administration. And that is observations.